What is New York Times cooking app? So let's just tap to get it. And then, yeah, this is like expert tested recipes and more. Make your time in the kitchen easier with New York Times cooking app. Search thousands of New York Times recipes and organize your favorites so you can cook for anyone, anytime. Subscribe in the app, or if you're already a New York Times cooking subscriber, log in for unlimited access to our recipes and much more. So there's recipe box. Say your recipes, favorite recipes here, and organize them into personalized folders with access always on app screen, advanced search, grocery list guides, recipe notes, iPad compatibility, and then then you can just open it up. And then unfortunately, as everything with New York Times, a lot of these additional apps they require premium subscription. That's like 200 Danish krona a year, because I'm just checking it out from Denmark, so it's like almost like $30. That's basically what it is. So try it out. Just find amazing recipes that inspire. Find some cool curated collections. Cook something new with a suggestion from our editors. Digital recipe box, a personal place to store and organize your favorites. So that's what it is. Or there is also New York Times All Access, and this app is included All Access, and there are a bunch of other apps, of course, news app, games, Wirecutter, Athletic, and all of that. So hope that is helpful.